Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today to see what I am up to. And I have something new for the channel that I have never, I think I tried one time, a long time ago. I've never tried. What could it be? I have two packages here and they are from Nail Shack. So I have two. They came a couple days apart. So we will open this one and in just a moment, but let me give you a little bit of information. I did write down some information because I don't really know much about this company. It's called Nail Shack and it's S-H-A-C-K. I made contact with a wonderful woman. I believe her name is Deanna. You can get this on cratejoy. I haven't seen a direct website personally, so that if you don't mind shopping on cratejoy, which is is an okay place to shop, all your boxes are all in one spot. Their adult pack is $9.95 a month, and they have a kids pack that is $8.75 a month. And this information I just pulled from their website, just real quick, just to let you know, your Nail Shack pack will include at least 4 full sets, one for every week, of high quality, easy to apply nail polish strips delivered to your door every month, plus a fun nail file and a gentle cuticle pusher for easy, flawless application. And it says, enjoy salon quality nails, quick and easy at home. New designs each month, no drying time, custom curated, easy application. I wrote down a whole bunch of notes, as you can see here in my little paper. Ships worldwide from the US. You order on cratejoy. There is a code on cratejoy. If you use the code WELCOME at checkout, you can save yourself 10% on your first bag. So that's not a code for me directly from them. It's just something I saw on cratejoy when I was trying to get some information to share with all of you. So this is what the package looks like, and we're just going to open it. I have pre-slit the envelope because I struggle with this kind of stuff. So here's a nice little package. A little welcome, hello, little card with some cute little stickers on it. And then there's a paper. I'm sorry, I feel like I'm losing my voice. Late at night, I've been up since, what time I was up? Super early this morning. So by the end of the night, which it's late at night, and I don't usually film late at night because I'm tired, I start to lose my voice. There's some information how to apply, and if you have trouble, there's, I guess, YouTube videos for tips and things like that. Try to refrain from getting your nails wet for 30 minutes after application. If you leave these opened, I guess, to air will cause the polish to dry. I guess store them in a Ziploc bag or airtight container. Hot temperatures will, I guess, make the strips too flexible and not adhere. There's a whole bunch of little tips and tricks here. I can maybe see if I can get a photo of that for after the video. So let's open. I don't want this to all blow. I have my fan on. It has been, I don't know, I'm sure hot everywhere. So hot here in Pennsylvania. It's just crazy. I mean, beyond even comfortable. It's not safe to be outside. So I unwrapped the tissue paper, which is nice. I'm sorry, crunch that up and get rid of it. Let's put it in the bag and put it down here. So in the tissue paper was a cuticle pusher. Here's this way right here. You can see. A double-sided little nail file. Cute. Where did I just back out? Sliding off the place. And then I have packs of, and these are sealed. So this first one is like glittery flowers. Cute. This is purple with some floral. Oops, right here. I hope you can see these. I will do my best to take pictures. These are like a glittery animal. I wish they told you on the other side what these are. This is either black or navy. Probably not something I would ever use, not even as an accent. I just don't use black at all. So that was the first envelope. They're really cute. Really, really cute. And I did see a video on YouTube that like if you have real short nails, you can use half of one of these. Like let's say here, like for your pinky, you know, your little pinky, and your nails are super short and you only need half of that, you could cut it and actually get 2 times out of it. I thought that was a great tip. My nails are not that short, so I doubt that that will be a benefit. And then a few days later, I received another package. So she did ask me what my preferences were. Same, you know, little hello and the same information card. So maybe the one went out first before she heard what I like and dislike. So, oh, this is cute. I'll show you all this once I get it all unwrapped. So maybe she changed it up a little bit. We'll see. So, you know, you get the same, you know, cuticle pusher. Nice, like that. And then the file, this bag is a cute pink heart right there. And then you still get, you know, 4 strips. And these are purple and white. And these are almost like pearl-esque. Cute. And these are, I don't even know what color that is. Like a brown or a deep burgundy color. A rust. With little like flecks of glitter or something. Oh, these are really cute. Purples with your gold accent. No, these are cute too. Look how cute these are. I love these. Now, I would have opened this up, ended this video right here, and then come back. It would have been maybe a few days or 4 or 5 days for me, but it would have been seconds for you. I just did my nails. Literally, right as these the day these were delivered, I did my nails. I always take my polish off the night before. If I'm going to trim them, I file them, I push back my cuticles and put cuticle oil on, and I go to bed. I don't put anything on my nails. I let them air out, let them breathe, put the cuticle oil on, and let it, and I put a lot of it on there, and just let it soak in and do its thing. Usually then the next morning I get up. I am always very indecisive when picking my nail polish. Let's face it, I have to look at this color for almost 3 weeks. That's how long it lasts. I mean, I don't have to. I could change it in a day if I want. I don't want to be hassled with that. It takes, you know, an hour or 2 for me to get my nails completely done so that they're as good as I like them. So I always, and then the next morning, and I have like 4 or 5 colors out, and I'll paint a finger, paint another one. I could have I had 4 different colors on my hand. And I'm like going to everybody, which one do you like? And then they're like, well, I like this one. I'm like, man, I don't want to do that. And I had a real pretty blue from OPI that I wanted to do, but I would have done that, but when I took it off, it stained my nail. And I had a base coat on, so I was like, ooh. So I might have to look into that or maybe not use it. I don't want that bluish tint to my nails. Even though I know you could just soak them for a little bit and it'll come off. But so then I just wound up going through and tried and went back to my teal. But I'm sad because I would have tried one of these. So now these are going to have to wait until I do my nails again to decide which ones I'm going to do. Wow, these are awesome. Now this is pretty daring and bold for me. So I think for, what is it, $10 a month, you're getting 4 weeks worth of nail strips. And if depending on the length of your nails, you could get, if you like that tip, she cut them in half because of the way the design was, or even not. You could maybe more on the solids. I would do that, maybe not on a design per se, like on these, where you, or even these here, like these types, where you can, you know, cut it in half and use it for both nails, just one, and then you still have one for the next time, or 2 for the next time. You could extend the length, the longevity of these. I don't think for $10 a month. And these, you know, I have not opened them. I don't want to rip it open until I'm going to use it, because I don't want it to, you know, go bad, because like I said, it's going to be a couple weeks before I change my nails. I'm loving the purple. I almost had I have a deep purple and lilac, and I was going to do that, so that, you know, this could be a possibility. I'm not always a fan of the gold, but I would try it. I would almost mix the purple with maybe some of these, like mix and match. Do this as my main, but then pull a couple of these in for accents. That would be nice. I don't think I would want 10 nails looking like this, but I could do mainly these and use these as an accent. I mean, there's enough here that you could, you know, mix and match them. I think these are adorable. $9.95 a month. I definitely think it's worth it. These would be great for your younger girls or even, you know, teenagers that don't want to spend a lot of time. Literally, I remember when I worked at the hospital, I always had super long nails when I worked. And one of the nurses asked me to take my nail polish off on one of my fingers. I'm like, I just did that. No. So of course I took it off. And she applied one of these to my nail, wanted to see how well it worked. And if it stayed by the end of the day, I mean, we were washing our hands every 5 minutes there. I didn't wash my hands for 30 minutes. I made sure I didn't touch anything that I wasn't supposed to. And it stayed on. I left it on. It stayed on for a long time. And then I took it off and just put a little bit. You can either use your cuticle oil up at the base and get it to come off. Just don't yank it because you could pull your nail, you know, break your nail. Or just let it soak in acid, you know, your nail polish remover, and it'll come off. I mean, that's what we did back then. And I had gotten samples of these in a box, a Target or Walmart box, and haven't tried them yet. Because that was more of a fall color, not a color that I would wear in the summer. I like to put some of my colors on. Like, this isn't really a summer color, but I had a light blue one and just didn't. I was going to go back to that, and I was like, nah. But this, I'm intrigued because this has flecks of color in it. So I wonder if that's truly black or if that's navy. It's so hard to tell, but it's definitely a glitter. I wish it told you on the back, like this is black glitter or this is, or somewhere, but it doesn't. But that's it. What do you think about this from Nail Shack? I think this is pretty cool. I'm excited to continue to get this and share it with you. And somebody might, I'm not going to say for sure, but somebody might get like this and a couple packs of these. Like I have 8 of them now. Do I need 8 of them? No. I could share with someone else. I still have an envelope here that I made sure I didn't destroy, that I can just put my label over. Maybe I can share with somebody in my next big box giveaway. Put this in with it, with the instructions, and I'll put it right in the pack so you know the name of the company and all that stuff, and you know, share with you guys. And I do remember you pretty much should use their file that they include. Like you go one way, like when you fold it over your nail, you go one way direction a couple times, and then you flip it over and go the other direction, and that's what then will break it, like cut it almost. I mean, it literally, I remember it taking seconds to put on, I mean, one nail, but I wouldn't spend hours if I spend 10 minutes putting them on versus an hour or 2. I mean, there are sometimes it takes me 2 hours to do my nails. I do one hand at a time, make sure it's completely dry. It's not going to smudge. I'm not going to, you know, nick it on anything. So, and then I'll start the other hand. So, and then usually the other hand seems like it goes much quicker for don't ask me why. But I always do my left hand first. And actually, since I'm right-handed, I think I'm heavier with the polish. Sometimes I'll be like, oh, and hit the side of my skin. You don't have to worry about that. Any cleanup or any mess-ups, it gets in your cuticle or anything. These, you just put them on, file the tip off, and done. I'm loving this. So thank you, Deanna, for sending these to me. I'm excited to try them. I'm so happy to bring it to all of you. And like I said, I'll leave all this information down in the description box. I would love for you to give them a look over there on Cratejoy and see what you think. If this is something you would like, something maybe your younger daughter would like, this is something you could do together with your younger daughter, if you allow them to wear polish. But this is something that, you know, I mean, and I don't know what's in the kids' ones, but I'm sure they're appropriate for children, and maybe that's something you can sit down and do with your younger daughter, and have a little bonding time where you have a little girl night with your daughter. And I think that would be really cute. That would be a great idea. So I appreciate all you watching, and I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.